Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is a very special Indochinese recipe with a twist. I'm making shrimp Manchurian in a very unique way. Every bite has a shrimp surprise inside. Quick and easy and very flavorful. Let's see how to make it. Come on. I have shredded the cabbage and I have chopped a few veggies. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. All-purpose flour and cornstarch will bring everything together well. Mix well and no need to add any water. The moisture from the veggies is more than enough. I have jumbo shrimp and we will marinate these with salt and pepper. Take a portion of the veggie mixture and flatten it. Place a shrimp in the center and close up, making a ball. Make all of them similarly. We will deep fry these to a nice golden brown color, moving them often for even color. Perfect. Fry all of them similarly. For the main curry, we will add in the crushed ginger, garlic and chili and saute for a few seconds. I have red onions and green peppers cubed along with the white part of the green onions. Saute for 30 seconds on high flame. Add in the soy sauce, chili garlic sauce, schezwan salt, just a little salt and pepper, and the tomato sauce. Remember, the sauces have salt in it. Sugar will balance the flavors. Saute for another 30 seconds. Adjust water as per your consistency you like. Once this comes to a boil, we will add in the cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce slightly. Cook for 10 seconds and you will see it thicken. Add in the Manchurian balls and cook until heated through. Wow, looks so great, right? Look how the gravy has coated the Manchurian balls so well. Click the subscribe button if you like the recipe and more recipes coming up every week. Garnish with green onions and serve hot. Thanks for watching. Bye.